Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to move the text paragraph up and down to any place in Word document without copy and paste. So, how to do it? Let's follow these simple steps. For example, that is the third paragraph, and I want to place this third paragraph on the top of the page. The common way is to copy and paste it at top, but you can do that without just copy and paste. So, first of all, select this paragraph, then press Alt key with Shift key, and press up arrow key, and you can see that the paragraph that was on the last has been moved to the first place. You can move it to another place as well. So, in this way, you can move any paragraph in the Word document without copy and paste.